These rounds build the structural foundation where the large flowers will grow later on. Take your time and gently arrange your work flat on the table. Start in any stitch of the round. Work 1/2 double crochet in the back loop only in each stitch all the way around. When you reach a puff stitch from round 90, do not work a 1/2 double crochet there. Instead, work chain 3. Continue around the round, always working 1/2 double crochet in the back loop only on all the other stitches. When you reach the end of the round, join with 1 slip stitch in the first 1/2 double crochet, or in the first stitch you made. Total, 788 1/2 double crochets worked in the back loop only, 197 per side. 4 chain 3 spaces, 1 per corner. Start in any corner chain 1 space of round 92. In that corner space, work 1 puff stitch made of 3 stitches, chain 1, and another puff stitch made of 3 stitches. Continue around round 92 by working 1 front post 1/2 double crochet around each stitch of the previous round. In each remaining corner chain 1 space, repeat the same corner sequence, 1 puff stitch of 3 stitches, chain 1, and 1 puff stitch of 3 stitches. Join with 1 slip stitch in the top of the first puff stitch. Total, 788 front post 1/2 double crochets, 197 per side. 8 puff stitches made of 3 stitches, 2 per corner. 4 chain 1 spaces between the puff stitches, 1 per corner. Start in any corner chain 1 space. In that corner, work 1 puff stitch of 3 stitches, chain 1, and another puff stitch of 3 stitches. Along the side, working in the back loop only of round 92, skip 1 stitch, work 1 puff stitch of 3 stitches in the next stitch, then chain 1. Repeat this sequence across the side until the next corner. In each corner, work 1 puff stitch of 3 stitches, chain 1, and 1 puff stitch of 3 stitches. Join with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first puff stitch. Total 400 puff stitches made of 3 stitches, 98 per side and 2 per corner. 396 chain 1 spaces, 98 per side and 1 per corner. Along the side, work 1 double crochet in the first half double crochet worked in the back loop only of round 92. Then work 1 front post single crochet around the puff stitch from round 94. Continue across the side following this rhythm, and finish the side with 1 double crochet. In the corner, work a chain of 8. Repeat the same sequence on all 4 sides. Join with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. Total 388 double crochets, 97 per side. 392 front post single crochets, 98 per side. 4 chain 8 spaces, 1 per corner. Start in any corner, between the 2 corner puff stitches. In the corner, work 1 front post single crochet around the first corner puff from round 94, chain 3, then work 1 front post single crochet around the next corner puff. Along the side, work 1 front post single crochet around each stitch. Repeat this corner and side sequence all the way around. Join with 1 slip stitch in the first front post single crochet. Total: 788 front post single crochets, 195 per side and 2 per corner. 4 chain 3 spaces, 1 per corner. Now, we are going to repeat this trellis, which will be the base for our beautiful large flowers. In the corner chain 1 space, bring the chain 1 loops from round 94 to the front. Work 2 treble crochets, chain 1 or chain 2 depending on your tension, and 2 treble crochets. Move to the first stitch worked in the back loop only of round 95 and work 1 treble crochet, then chain 1. Go back to the corner chain 3 space from round 96 and work 1 treble crochet. Along the side, working in the back loop only of round 95, skip 2 stitches, work 1 treble crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, then work 1 treble crochet in the first skip stitch. Repeat this crossed treble crochet sequence across the side. At the end of the side, repeat the treble crochet and chain 1, and then work 1 additional treble crochet in the corner chain 3 space to lock the corner. Repeat for all 4 sides. Join with 1 slip stitch in the first treble crochet. Total 496 treble crochets, 120 per side and 4 per corner. For chain 1 or chain 2 spaces, 1 per corner. Rounds 98 to 102. For these rounds, work exactly the same construction as in round 97. The corner sequence and the crossed treble crochet pattern along the sides remain identical. Start in any corner, chain 1 space and work 2 treble crochets, chain 1 and 2 treble crochets. Along the side, repeat round 97, but this time work front post treble crochets, keeping the same crossed stitch path as before. Join each round with 1 slip stitch in the first treble crochet. Total at the end of round 102. 560 front post treble crochets, 140 per side. 16 treble crochets, 4 per side. 4 chain 1 or chain 2 spaces, 1 per side. Remember, a chair, a light, and company are here. We continue together.